Picking the right tires for your pickup truck can make a huge difference in safety, comfort, and performance. Whether you drive on highways, rough roads, or off-road trails, the right tires will give you better grip, longer life, and a smoother ride. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best pickup truck tires for 2026, comparing their features, strengths, and why they're worth considering. Let's get started. Number 5. Designed to offer high-speed durability and everyday stability for modern crossovers, trucks, and larger SUVs. The set of 4 Fullway HP 108 all-season performance radial tires 255/50 R20 109V load range XL functions as an ultra-affordable replacement option for drivers looking to maximize their visual appeal and monetary value without sacrificing everyday dry street performance. The core purpose and feature of the HP 108 is its asymmetric tread design paired with an optimized all-season silica compound that ensures a robust and flat contact patch with the road under heavy load conditions. Built with an extra load, Sol 4-ply carcass and featuring an integrated sidewall rim protector to ward off accidental curb damage. The physical build quality is surprisingly tough given the aggressive price point. A unique design aspect is its solid, continuous center rib, which directly improves steering responsiveness and keeps the vehicle tracking perfectly true during fast highway cruising. In terms of ease of use, mechanics report that they mount and balance quite easily on 20-inch wheels, running smoothly up to high speeds without introducing unexpected vibrations. In real-life scenarios, the tire shines brilliantly on dry pavement, offering predictable, highly communicative cornering and a remarkably quiet cabin ride, as its outer block sequence effectively channels airwaves away to suppress heavy tread growl. However, while marketed as an all-season tire with a 380 Day A ATTURO rating, it struggles considerably in heavy downpours due to inconsistent hydroplaning resistance and becomes dangerously stiff in freezing winter conditions below 45F, behaving more like a summer performance option. When compared to slightly pricier budget competitors like the Westlake SA07, which costs a bit more but includes a 45,000 mile treadwear warranty, the Fullway HP 108 comes with absolutely no manufacturer warranty protection, meaning long-term treadwear longevity remains its main wildcard. Despite this lack of backing, at roughly half the cost of premium Tier 1 brands, it provides outstanding value for money for budget-conscious daily commuters living in warmer climates who mostly drive on clear highways. I would confidently recommend this Fullway tire set to SUV owners looking for an aggressive look and sporty dry handling on a strict budget, provided they have an alternate solution for severe winter weather. Number 4. The Crosswind MT Mud Off-Road Light Truck Radial Tire 30x9.50R 15LT104Q. Load Range C is an aggressively engineered, budget-friendly option designed to give smaller classic trucks, older vintage SUVs, and dedicated off-road Jeeps dependable traction through harsh terrain. Its defining features center around a deep, directional tread design packed with high void, independent blocks, and a specialized chip and cut-resistant rubber compound. Built to last with a durable 6-ply rated carcass, the construction delivers exceptional puncture protection against hidden logs and razor-sharp rocks. A unique design aspect of this mud terrain option is its staggered wraparound shoulder lugs, which provide crucial biting edges when clawing forward out of deep ruts. Ease of use is highly evident during installation. Despite the thick 6-ply sidewalls, tire technicians report that they mount effortlessly and balance cleanly without needing excessive weights. In real-life scenarios, the self-cleaning tread performs exceptionally well, instantly ejecting packed-in clay and heavy mud to ensure consistent traction, while remaining surprisingly quiet and vibration-free at highway speeds, up to 70 mph, a rare feat for a budget mud tire. When compared to premium competitors like the BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KM3, the Crosswind lacks the extreme lateral sidewall flex and multi-ply carcass thickness required for high-tier rock crawling. However, it costs roughly half the price, making it an unbeatable value for money option for daily utility vehicles that split their time between the highway and rugged trails. Ultimately, off-road enthusiasts, weekend adventurers, and rural property owners hauling wood or livestock will benefit immensely from this product. I highly recommend the Crosswind MT as a dependable, budget-conscious choice for anyone looking to maximize mud capability and aggressive aesthetics without spending a fortune. Number 3. The ATTURO AZ600 All-Season Touring Tire 225/55R17-101 HXL is meticulously engineered to provide a smooth, dependable, and comfortable ride for modern crossovers, compact SUVs, and sedans. The primary purpose of this tire is to blend long-distance touring comfort with reliable year-round performance, serving as an excellent budget-conscious replacement option. Key features include a non-directional tread pattern equipped with a high density of sipes and grooves that actively grip variable road surfaces, alongside 4 wide circumferential channels engineered to maximize hydroplaning resistance. Constructed with an extra load cell ply rating, the tire features a reinforced sidewall structure that provides higher weight capacity and incorporates a built-in raised rubber ridge to protect expensive alloy wheels from minor curb scrapes. A unique design aspect is its solid, continuous outer flanking ribs coupled with smaller center rib blocks, which maximize surface contact for agile, predictable steering response during highway cruising. In terms of ease of use, the tire mounts and balances cleanly on standard 17-inch wheels, proving highly compatible with modern setups including electric and hybrid vehicles that require low rolling resistance and instant torque management. Real-life scenarios reveal that the AZ600 performs brilliantly as a quiet commuter tire, utilizing a computer-optimized pitch sequencing that suppresses harsh tread growl for a serene cabin ambiance while remaining remarkably sure-footed during sudden downpours. However, despite its solid 560 AA ATTURO rating and broad all-season labeling, winter performance is its main limitation. The rubber compound loses pliability in severe freezing weather, meaning traction in deep snow or ice falls short of specialized cold weather alternatives. Compared to premium tier competitors like the Michelin Defender 2, the ATTURO AZ600 lacks ultimate snow grip and falls slightly short of maximum tread longevity, yet it matches the premium option's dry highway smoothness at roughly half the out-of-pocket cost. Backed by a strong 60,000-mile limited manufacturer tread life warranty, it delivers exceptional value for money in the entry-level touring market. Ultimately, daily commuters and suburban family drivers living in mild or rainy climates who prioritize highway comfort and affordability over severe winter capability will benefit the most from this product, and I highly recommend it as a smart, wallet-friendly upgrade. Number 2. The Starfire Solarus HT All-Season LT 245/75R16-120-116S tire is an entry-level highway terrain tire explicitly engineered for hard-working light trucks, commercial vans, and full-size SUVs that require dependable load-carrying capabilities. The primary purpose of this heavy-duty tire is to deliver a smooth, quiet ride on paved roads while supporting substantial weight, making it an excellent budget-friendly replacement for work fleets and daily tow vehicles. Key features include an optimized 5-rib tread pattern that evenly distributes vehicle weight to prevent premature wear, paired with deep circumferential grooves designed to evacuate water and resist hydroplaning. Built as a light truck LT metric tire with an impressive 10-ply rated construction range E, its heavy-duty build quality provides exceptional puncture resistance and sidewall stiffness when hauling heavy cargo or pulling large trailers. A unique design aspect of the Solarus HT is its dense, full-depth siping across the tread blocks, which maintains biting edges for traction over the entire life of the tire rather than wearing smooth after a few thousand miles. In terms of ease of use, the tire is straightforward for automotive technicians to mount and balance on standard 16-inch rims, running smoothly without requiring excessive balancing weights. In real-life scenarios, the Solarus HT excels on dry and wet highways, offering a remarkably quiet cabin experience and confident, stable braking under heavy loads. However, its stiff compound stiffens significantly in freezing temperatures, meaning traction in deep snow or thick ice is mediocre compared to dedicated winter options. When pitted against a Tier 1 competitor like the Firestone Transforce HT2, the Starfire lacks some of the extreme wet grip technology found in premium brands, but counters with a substantially lower price tag and a highly competitive 50,000-mile treadwear warranty. This combination makes it an unbeatable value for money option in the budget highway terrain market. Ultimately, small business owners, fleet managers, and budget-conscious truck owners who primarily operate on paved roads will benefit most from this product, and I highly recommend it as a reliable, high-value workhorse tire. Number 1. The BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO2, specifically in the versatile 31x10.50 R15/C109S size, is a legendary heavy-duty tire engineered to provide light trucks, SUVs, and crossovers with uncompromising dual-purpose performance. Built with CoreGuard technology derived from race-proven desert tires, its sidewalls are 20% tougher than its predecessor, utilizing split and bruise-resistant rubber paired with an advanced deflection design to push away sharp objects. On the tread face, it features an interlocking pattern and stabilizing bars that prevent irregular wear, alongside an innovative mud-phobic bar design that ejects packed mud and loose soil. In real-life scenarios, this tire thrives in conditions that would destroy standard rubber. It tears through deep gravel, mud, and jagged rocky trails with incredible clawing traction, while simultaneously maintaining a surprisingly quiet, civilized composure on paved highways. Furthermore, its 3 peak mountain snowflake rating guarantees reliable, severe snow traction, making it a true 4-season workhorse. When compared to premium competitors like the Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack, the KO2 generally offers superior sidewall puncture resistance and a longer lasting on-road tread life, though the DuraTrack can sometimes hold a slight edge in deep, sloppy mud due to its wider void areas. Despite being a premium-priced investment, the KO2 provides exceptional value for money because its robust build quality easily outlasts cheaper alternatives, saving you money on premature replacements. For truck and SUV owners who split their time between daily commuting and demanding overland adventures, or those who frequently tow in unpredictable terrain, this tire is an absolute gold standard. I highly recommend the BFGoodrich KO2 as a fiercely dependable, high-quality upgrade that perfectly balances rugged off-road dominance with smooth, predictable street manners. Those were our top 5 pickup truck tires for 2026. Each tire offers different benefits, so the best choice depends on your driving style, road conditions, and budget. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect tires for your truck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other truck owners. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.